At the Maintenance Lab, we do applied research to help digitalize the Dutch industry. We have all these physical systems where we can test and train algorithms on so that we can really predict how a machine is working, but also to optimize it. The Origin robots we have here are very helpful in this road to helping all these Dutch industrial partners with trying to do some things with autonomous inspection, but it's very difficult if you also have to build the ecosystem yourself. So now with the Origins, we can really have a state-of-the-art ready platform that can help us in doing all these kind of inspection jobs at industrial partners, but also have a platform where we can build upon ourselves. The biggest student benefit is, I think, both the confidence when working with the Origin, as also that it is like a set-up platform with ROS and a clear API and very well documentation, so that most students can get it up and running very quickly. We have a lot of cases here in the lab where we create like a sort of small fun test assignment that is not really directly related to an industrial problem, but the problems that they solve within this case are. And we had this very big challenge where we said, well, it would be great if the Origin could fetch us our coffee and our packages from the reception downstairs. But this is a very big challenge, so I did not really expect any students to come close to the end.
The biggest challenge was taking the elevator fully autonomously. So the Origin drives up to the elevator, the arm taps on the panel, and then it looks at the letter, reads the panel, goes to the correct elevator, waits downstairs, it gets out.
We had to kind of hack together a map, because now you can use 2 maps, but when we were working with it, you could only use 1, and we're working across multiple floors. So luckily the elevators open on different sides on the floors that we were working on. So we basically have one huge map that includes the ground floor and the 4th floor as one map.
So that was super surprising. That was like a really big challenge, and then everything was solved from the beginning to the end. I think one of our main pros in going for the Origin instead of a different platform was that Avular is a Dutch company based in Eindhoven. We already went to Avular a couple of times. We had a fun group session with other universities, and we even had an engineer from Avular give a lecture to our students. Besides all these technical things that are sort of solved already for the students, a really big benefit is the direct contact we can have with Avular.